That ESF file powers the campaign data in Creative Assembly's Total War series. Save states, game configuration, and strategic map information all bundled together. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit or troubleshoot these game data files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single ESF file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. ESF files are binary data files used by the Total War game series, storing campaign save data faction information unit, statistics map states, and game configuration parameters. They are central to campaign progression and modding in Total War games. Total War ESF files use a custom binary serialization format with type node trees containing integers, floats, strings, and arrays. They store hierarchical game state data with version schemas that change between Total War game releases and patches. The proprietary opener for the ESF file structure is typically Total War series by the Creative Assembly. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows cannot interpret most of this content, so dedicated game tools or the game itself are required. Open the menu by right-clicking your ESF file and choosing Open With. Try Total War series first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. Failure to open this ESF file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, editing save data. Download EditSF or the Total War ESF Editor community tools to open and modify ESF save files. These tools parse the binary tree structure and present editable values for faction treasury unit counts, diplomatic relationships, and campaign map states. Next, modding game data. Use the assembly kit provided by Creative Assembly through Steam Workshop tools, or use community tools like RPFM to modify ESF configuration files that define unit stats, building chains, and campaign mechanics. Test changes in a new campaign to verify stability. Finally, troubleshooting corrupted saves. If a campaign save ESF file fails to load, verify the file size is not 0 and check for recent autosaves in the save game directory. Corrupted ESF files may result from game crashes during save operations. Restore from the most recent working autosave file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.